Welcome back to Weekend How To. We're still under the topic portamento function. Now today I'm still having the Roland E09 in front of me, but today we're getting into detail on how to set or how to enable the portamento function on your Roland E09. Okay, so the first step is to grab your laptop and go to your web browser and type in MIDI-OX. After typing in there, you're gonna click the link which should direct you to the MIDI-OX website. So there you're gonna find different versions. I tried to download the latest ones, but they didn't seem to work, so I opted for the previous versions. So you're gonna choose any version that would work for you. Wait for it to download. After downloading, you're gonna open the file, activate it or install it. Then while waiting for the file to install, plug in your Roland power cable. And also insert your MIDI cable according to the in and output ports. Then you're going to switch on your power button. Insert 199 as your main tone, and as the dual tone insert 378. Then set its volume to 17. So the next step is to go to your MIDI-OX app or software which you just installed. Then once you see this moving information, it means you connected your MIDI cable the right way. At the top menu, click at Send MIDI Controller Messages. So once the control panel is displayed, under Controller Events, scroll down to number 5 to your portamento time option. Then set channel 4 and set the value to 44. So remember, your channel 4 represents the main tone, which is your 199 jungle bass. Then again under controller event, scroll down to portamento, which is number 65. Then again under channel 4, set its value to 64. Okay, so the portamento function has been enabled on the 199, which is your main tone. So now to enable it on the dual tone, which is your 378, we have to go back again to number 5, which is your portamento time. So for the dual part or the dual tone, we have to set the channel to number 6. Yes, change your channel to number 6 and again set the value to 44. So after doing that, you have to scroll down under the controller event and look for number 65, which is our portamento switch. So again we have to set number channel 6. Then the value has to be above 63, because any value below 63 means the portamento switch is off, and any value above 63 means that you have enabled the portamento switch on. So after that you have to opt out or switch off your app or software. And be sure to disconnect your MIDI cable without switching off your keyboard. Then you have to engage your modulation wheel. After carefully following the instructions, this is how it should sound. So we have set the portamento to the main part and the dual part of the keyboard. The remaining part is the split part. So to do that, we have to switch off the keyboard. Then after 5 seconds, you can switch it on again. Then reconnect your MIDI output and input. And then after doing so, you have to set your tones. On the main part, you have to set 364. Then on the split part, 213, which is your mild bass. Then again we have to go to your laptop, to your MIDI-OX software or app. Once again on the top menu we're looking for Send MIDI Controller Messages. Once you find it, you click on it, the control panel should pop up. Then on number 1, which is modulation, you set the channel to number 11. This time you're setting number 11 because it represents the split part. So the value has to be set to 227. Then we're scrolling down to portamento time, which is number 5. Again, the channel number should be number 11 for the split part. Then the value for portamento time should be 44. So once you reach the value 44, you have to go to controller event and scroll down to the portamento switch, which is number 65. And remember guys, the channel still remains number 11 for the split part. So we are going to set the value to 64. Remember, 63 and below represents portamento being off, and 64 and above represents the portamento being switched on. Now exit the app or software and also disconnect your MIDI cable while the keyboard is on. Then this should be your results.